Hey guys, Wolfgirl here, and we're back with Sydney. And today she's going to be eating, again, I know. I'm almost done with these continuing feedings with her. But anyways, today she's going to be eating oatmeal and orange juice. So basically breakfast for dinner because it is dinner time. So yeah, and today she does not have a bib, but just in case she drools, I have this to catch all the slobbers. What did you call them? Slobbers. So yeah, let's get started. I need her to open her mouth. Oh, she does that sometimes. Try me mode always works though. Oops. Perfect. All right, there we go. Orange juice. And in case you're wondering where I got this orange juice, I actually ordered a package from eBay. Don't know when the video will be up. And I got some baby light oranges. Just kidding, I made this. This was actually an accident. I didn't know it was going to turn out this realistic looking. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 That was close. She's actually a pretty clean eater. Seriously, guys, if you do not have this baby alive, you do not know how clean she is. Oh, great. This is the only thing I hate about the baby powder food. Sometimes it gets really sticky. Which is why I'm going to rinse her out very well after this video. I'm going to give her like 15 bottles of water. And like normal baby bottles, like the regular size. That's how much I'm going to give her. She seems to like this oatmeal. The good thing about this is that sometimes they say you have to repowder your baby's face, like if it's the 2006 soft face. After she eats, you don't actually have to do that with the baby powder food because it's baby powder. Just wipe the dampness away and it's pretty much still baby powder. She's eating this really good. How about we have some orange juice now? I hope her diaper does not leak. And I hope that did not happen. Okay. Dilemma. I got a comment from actually Dr. Dolly's, who she commented on my video, and she said that the diaper must have been pinching at Sydney's bottom, which is why she couldn't swallow in some of the videos. Actually, I already knew that, but I thought it was only for the drink and wet dolls, not the food packet eating dolls. She's my first food packet eating doll, so I'm totally a noob at this. Whoa. It's always so weird when their diapers are squishing their bottoms shut, and you're always thinking, what, she got clogged? But she's only having water or something like really thin, and really it's the diaper, so it's so weird. Really? I gotta pinch your diaper again? Yes, orange juices. Oh, really foamy. Ugh. How do I? Oh my gosh. I'm glad I didn't stick my finger in there. She would have pooped on my hand. Alright, we got a little bit more food left. Oh, did you see that bubble she blew? I think maybe one more bite. I think I can scrape up one tiny nibble. There we go. One little nibble. Yeah. Well, what do you know? She is blocked up again. Well, maybe I can just feed her the rest of the orange juice because there's like nothing left. And anyway, I'm going to open her diaper so there's no need to pinch it. Yep, that's it for the orange juice. Everything else is just foam. Okay, yeah, let's change her diaper. But before I do any of that, I have to get that to stay. There we go. And I'm going to grab a towel. I am anticipating, oh, you can see some of my dogs hanging out over there, a very disgusting diaper. So, can you move for a second, Sydney? Oh my gosh, the diaper has not leaked yet. That is a record. There we go. Because normally my baby's diapers explode before I can do anything. The line has definitely turned blue, and I can definitely see it's turning orange through the diaper. Ready? Here we go. Oh, my word. Okay, Sydney. That is not good. I think she just pooped everywhere. Okay. Yeah. Let's see, is there anything left up there? Doesn't look like it. Nope, she's clean. Ew! Okay, that was really weird. That has never happened before. She just pooped out a really big chunk. That has never happened to my babies before. Maybe baby powder food is not the best for her. Ew. That looks a little bit realistic. That looks kind of realistic, actually, because some babies actually poop orange poop. That is stuck on there. How wonderful, that is stuck on there. It looks like baby vomit. Okay. Well, I'm going to go and, clean her out. But thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know if your baby has ever pooped out such a big chunk of something before. We'll see you later. Bye!